Look who I have with me. It's Baby Yoda! Yay! And guess what? We're going to do an unboxing, if you will, an unbagging with Renewal. Oh, come on, are you gonna focus? I'm so excited. This is by Sorimar, and I'm very much looking forward to opening this and experiencing it for the first time. So obviously this bag is darling and clearly witchy. Love it. So what do we have here? This card, Renewal, Sorimar Estrada. And it has a website. This is great, totally tarot size, love it. Haha. Change your energy, change your life. And then there's a message, I will read that, I promise you, but I have to look at the bottle. Oh my God, this is so exciting, you guys. For me, probably like beyond, if only this would focus, beyond most people's excitement. Here we go. Can you see that? I know it's super bright, but it says Renewal. And it also says Sacred Ceremonies by Sorimar. Energy clearing and reset. And I see there is a barcode here as well so that we could check it out. I was told there's a video on there. That's what she told me. So we'll share that. And it's also here on the back of the card. So first of all, why am I so excited about this? Because my girl, my soul sister, she's got it. She did it. She has this beautiful product that she talked about, and now it's here in person. It's in person. I'm like, I get to meet you. Just like, you know, Baby Yoda's here right now. Like, we have her baby here. One of her babies. She got multiple babies. But let's read this message, you guys. It says, hello, beautiful soul. Thank you for inviting Renewal to be a part of your sacred journey. Renewal is a blend of 100% organic, premium quality, sacred essential oils and woods. Each bottle is custom made with lots of love and has been programmed with shamanic ceremonial intentions. The woody notes in this enchanting blend are ideal to clear and reset your energy daily so you can ground, center, and be in a balanced flow. I created an instructional video just for you so that you can start feeling renewed by your daily energetic hygiene ritual. Whoop! Scan the code to watch. In light and love, Sorimar Estrada. Eee. Oh my God, that is so exciting, you guys. So all the information is there. It's got the QR code on the bottle and here. So this is exciting. Ta-da! Now for the big reveal. The big reveal. Baby Yoda, what do you think? What do you think? I'm always asking Baby Yoda. I was like, ¿Qué tú crees? ¿Qué tú crees? Yes. Okay, I smell all these beautiful notes. And I smell the woods. And I smell the lavenders and the flowers. Oh my God, I want to eat this. I don't think I should eat this, but I don't think it'll hurt me. I promise I will do a video, you guys, of actually, oh my God. I can't stop the smelling. Let me share something with you. So, in human design, my strongest scent is smell. It means discernment and obviously clearly has to do with, oh my God, I smell that Pablo Santo. Okay. And so I get really excited with smell. It's very stimulating for me and it's also very supportive for me. Okay. So I will do this video. I will show you guys me doing Sorimar's, I think the practice she recommends, right? On how to set the space and clear your aura, if you will. So looking forward to that. But so far, I have no questions. For example, I don't have it with me right now, but I'm gonna share something with you. I'm gonna go get it. Fuck it. Give me a second, Baby Yoda. Can you entertain everybody for a moment? Because we have the pendulum from original EOB. And look how beautiful the fun tag is on there. And I am so excited to pair Renewal with my Reiki and sound practice and placing Renewal on this beautiful lava stone. And then I can actually check different chakra points. So, whew, really excited about this. I think it'll be really beautiful. So yeah, what else? I will obviously use it to clear and cleanse, and I'm not gonna lie, don't tell Sorimar, but I think I'm gonna be like, this is gonna be perfume. Shh, okay. I think it's gonna drive the guys and gals wild. Okay, so I'm not trying to be rude. I might have my back to you a little bit because here we have the video that is on Renewal, and I'm gonna follow the directions. So let's see what we got.
Hello, my beautiful souls. Thank you for purchasing Renewal, an energy clearing and reset oil that you can use on your daily practices or rituals or just resetting your energy field. Renewal is based off of 100% sacred, organic, pure pressed oils that allows you to cleanse and clear your energy field so that you can start every day with a beautiful intention, feeling energized and reset. Renewal can be used on a day-to-day practice. So for your morning and evening ritual, I want you to bring yourself into a quiet setting in your home. Create a sacred space, and Renewal helps you and assists you on coming back to the present moment. So you want to do is take Renewal after you're sitting down, and you put 2 drops, close the bottle, and you want to heat up the oil. So rub your hands at least 3 or 4 seconds so that it can be really warm. And when it's warm, you want to inhale 3 times. Allow that aroma and that cleanse to go into your body. Smelling it again, taking 3 big deep breaths. With every breath centering into your body. And then allow your hands to come one after the other, one on your forehead, and one on your root chakra, your energy centers. And you want to bring the energy straight into your heart. This allows your cleansing and clearing of your chakras. And then when you're in the center of your heart space, you want to bring your hands into prayer. In this, you are activating and starting to cleanse your energy field. And you want to bring your arms out into your energetic field and imagine your field getting cleansed, cleared, resetted for your day. Bringing your hands behind your head and then coming back to prayer to seal your aura. And as we get into the center, you want to close your eyes and take a moment to feel your reset, cleanse, and set an intention for your beautiful day. Taking a deep breath in and sealing it with an out. Sacred Creations by Sorimar wants to thank you for your purchase. Enjoy your product and please let me know how you like it. Thank you.
Oh my god, I'm so excited! Okay, so now I have a fun new practice. And you guys,